Fonts shape how your documents and designs look, and Windows makes them easy to manage. In this video, we will explain managing fonts in Windows. To see your installed fonts, open Settings and go to Personalization, then Fonts. Here you will find every font on your system, with previews showing how each one looks. Click any font to see more details, including its different styles like bold and italic. To install a new font, simply download a font file, then drag it into this font's window, or right-click the file and choose Install. The font becomes available in all your programs instantly. To remove a font you no longer want, click it in the settings and choose Uninstall, though be careful not to delete system fonts that Windows needs. You can also get free fonts directly from the Microsoft Store through this same screen. Organizing your fonts helps designers and writers find the right style quickly. Whether you are creating documents, presentations, or art, having the right fonts ready makes your work look polished and professional. Managing them takes just a moment.